Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made these nice, good looking brownies. Very delicious looking. Just follow along with me and I will show you how I made them. These are very moist brownies. Okay, we're going to start off with the 3 4 cups of butter melted. And then 1 4 cups of sugar. And what you're going to do is you're going to start off whisking this really good together. That's real creamy. Okay, we're going to add in our vanilla extract. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. God, that's smelling good already. And then we're going to add in 2 egg yolks. Okay, I'm going to put in the melted chocolate. Okay, we're going to whisk in this. Okay, we're going to put in 3 4 of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of cocoa, dark chocolate, and then a teaspoon of salt. Then you want to add, whisk this in together, sift this in together. Okay, with the remaining chocolate chips, you want to put these in the batter. You just want to whisk this in really good. Okay, I'm going to put this into the oven for about 3. I had the oven set for 350 Fahrenheit, and we're going to put it in here for about 45 minutes or until it's done. We'll come back and take a look at it. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on these brownies. Look at this. Now, we're going to do it on this top one here. Look at that. This is very moist. Look at that. That is so delicious. Mmm. Look at that. That's so good. Very delicious. Very creamy in the middle. And very delicious. Mmm. Mmm. I want to thank y'all for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, hit me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And comment down below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to hit that bell. I'll see y'all next time.